Have you always wondered how successful restaurants maintain consistency, high quality, and efficient operations? According to the National Restaurant Association, over 50% of new restaurants fail within the first year. But those that implement and stick to well-crafted SOPs have a significantly higher chance of success. Let's uncover the secrets behind these procedures and how can they transform your restaurant's operations. Hello everyone, myself Dr. Rupal Agarwal, Chief Strategy Officer at YRC, a retail and e-commerce management consulting company, and today we shall delve down deeper into standard operating procedures for a restaurant. We also have a takeaway tip at the end of this video, so stay tuned till the end. Let's get started. What are standard operating procedures? SOPs are detailed written instructions designed to ensure consistency in performing specific tasks. In the restaurant industry, SOPs cover everything from food preparation and customer service to health and safety standards. Now, what is the importance of SOPs in restaurants? SOPs are crucial for maintaining high quality, ensuring compliance with health regulations, enhancing operational efficiency, and providing a consistent customer experience. They serve as a training tool for new employees and a reference guide for experienced staff. I would like to share 8 key areas for restaurant SOPs along with a case study just for you. At number 8, food preparation and cooking. SOPs in food preparation and cooking ensure that every dish is prepared to the same standard every time. This includes specific instructions on ingredients, quantities, cooking times, and presentation. Let's look at the case study of McDonald's, as most of us would have experienced McDonald's consistency, and that is due to their detailed SOPs. From how to cook fries to assembling a burger, every step is documented to ensure that a Big Mac tastes the same whether you're having it in New York or Tokyo. This consistency has helped McDonald's build a global brand recognized for its reliability. McDonald's serves over 69 million customers daily in over 100 countries. Their SOPs ensure that every customer receives a consistent experience. In 2019 survey, 88% of McDonald's customers cited consistency as a key reason for their loyalty, as you would every time know what you are going to get. At number 7, health and safety standards. Health and safety SOPs are vital for compliance with local regulations and for ensuring the well-being of both customers and the staff. These procedures cover food handling, cleanliness, and emergency protocols. Let's look at a case study of Chipotle. After facing multiple food safety issues in 2015, Chipotle revamped its health and safety SOPs. They introduced rigorous food safety protocols including high-resolution DNA-based testing of ingredients and mandatory safety training for all employees. These changes helped Chipotle regain customer trust and improve their safety record. Following the implementation of new SOPs, Chipotle saw a 15% increase in customer satisfaction related to food safety. Their food safety incidents dropped by 70% within a year after the changes were made. At number 6, customer service. Customer service SOPs ensures that every guest receives the same level of service, creating the consistent and positive dining experience. This includes greeting the guests, taking the orders, handling complaints, processing the payments, and so on. Let's look at the case study of Ritz-Carlton. Ritz-Carlton hotels, known for their exceptional service, extend their meticulous SOPs to their restaurant operations. Employees are trained to anticipate guest needs and exceed their expectations, resulting in high customer satisfaction and loyalty. Ritz-Carlton's NPS, that is Net Promoter Score, is consistently above 70, significantly higher than the industry average. 95% of Ritz-Carlton guests report that they would recommend the restaurant to others, highlighting the effectiveness of their SOPs. At number 5, inventory management. Effective inventory management SOPs help restaurants control costs, reduce waste, and ensure that essential ingredients are always available. This includes procedures for ordering, receiving, storing, and using the inventory. Let's look at the case study of Starbucks here. Starbucks uses sophisticated inventory management SOPs to ensure that every store has the right amount of ingredients. By using automated inventory tracking and data analytics, Starbucks minimizes waste and ensures product availability, contributing to their operational efficiency and profitability. Starbucks' use of technology in inventory management has reduced their waste time by 20%. They have achieved a 98% in-stock rate for key ingredients, ensuring customer satisfaction. At number 4, human resource management. HR SOPs covering hiring, training, performance evaluation, employee retention, and so on. These procedures ensure that the restaurants hire qualified staff and provide them with the necessary training to maintain high standards. Let's look at the case study of Darren Restaurants here. Darren Restaurants, which owns Olive Gardens, Longhorn Steakhouse, has comprehensive HR SOPs that include thorough training programs and clear performance metrics. These SOPs help them maintain a skilled and motivated workforce. Darren Restaurants boasts a 75% employee retention rate, significantly higher than the industry average. Their comprehensive training programs have led to a 20% increase in employee productivity. At number 3, waste management. SOPs for waste management help restaurants reduce waste, improve sustainability, and comply with the environmental regulations. These procedures cover waste segregation, recycling, and disposal. Let's look at the case study of Panera Bread. Panera Bread has implemented waste management SOPs that focus on reducing food wastage and increase recycling efforts. They have partnered with food banks to donate unsold food and implemented composting programs. Panera Bread has reduced its food wastage by 30% since implementing its waste management SOPs. The chain has increased its recycling rate by 50%, contributing to the sustainability goals. At number 2, recipe management. Recipe management SOPs ensure that every dish is prepared consistently, maintaining the restaurant's quality and reputation. These procedures include detailed recipes, portion control, and ingredient specification. Let's look at the case study of our favorite Cheesecake Factory. The Cheesecake Factory is known for its extensive menu and high-quality dishes. Their success is largely due to their comprehensive recipe management SOPs, which ensure that every item on the menu is prepared to the exact standards. The Cheesecake Factory maintains a customer satisfaction score of 87%. Their consistent quality and extensive menu have helped them achieve annual revenue growth of 5% over the past 5 years. And at number 1, we have supply chain and logistics SOPs. SOPs for supply chain and logistics cover the procurement, transportation, and storage of ingredients and supplies. These procedures ensure that the restaurant has a steady supply of high-quality ingredients while minimizing the cost. Let's look at the case study of Shake Shack. Shake Shack has optimized its supply chain and logistics through detailed SOPs that include supplier selection, inventory tracking, quality control. These procedures ensure they consistently deliver fresh, high-quality food. They've achieved a 10% reduction in supply chain costs through efficient logistics SOPs. Their streamlined supply chain has contributed to 15% increase in overall operational efficiency. Thus, implementing and adhering to standard operating procedures is a cornerstone of successful restaurant management. By ensuring consistency, enhancing efficiency, and providing a framework for training and compliance, SOPs can help your restaurant thrive in this competitive industry. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe for more insights into restaurant management. Thank you for watching this video and see you next time.